Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. And today's video I will share how to make kpomo and Ugba. This is used as a side dish in Abacha. So if you're interested, please relax and continue watching. The two primary ingredients in this recipe are oil bean seed and cow skin. So I have about 1 cup of oil bean seed and I have some cow skin. So the first thing to do is to cook these two together. And to cook this, we need some seasoning. And here I have calabash nutmeg, just 1 teaspoon. I also have some salt. I have no seasoning powder. Then I poured in some water. If you are using bomo, that is cow skin that is not cooked at all, cook it first until it is done before you start this process. Because if you start cooking it at this point, it is not going to get done. So make sure you are using bomo that is already pre-cooked. Also, if you are making use of dried oil bean seed, make sure you soak it for some few hours. It is best to soak it overnight. Then cook this until the water dries up. This is how it should look once you finish cooking it. Then set it aside to cool down a bit. This step is a very important step in this process for me, okay, because I love my food well seasoned, and once I go through this process it helps the bomo and the oba to take up some flavors, and that's why I go through that step. Then here I have some toasted pepper. I like toasting my pepper when I'm making local recipes because the toasting process also gives it a very unique flavor and taste. So after toasting the pepper, just use maybe your rolling pin and just crush the pepper. You don't need it to be finely crushed, we just want it to be roughly crushed. After that, just set it aside. In this bowl I have ungo. You can also use a cow, also called potash. I like to dissolve it in water first before using, because sometimes you see that sands settle at the bottom. Next, add some red palm oil and mix together. Mix this until it turns orange or until it curdles. You will see that this mixture here will become more thick, okay? And also the color will change from red to like orange or very bright orange color. That is when you know that you've mixed it well enough. Then at this point, I added 1 tablespoon of ground crayfish. I added some of the toasted, roughly ground pepper, and I mixed it a little bit. Then I poured in my already cooked cow skin and oil bean seed. I didn't want to add any other seasoning because you guys know I seasoned this very well. I seasoned the bomo and the Ukpaka very well. So there's no need for more seasoning other than the crayfish I added. So just mix it together and that is it. It is very easy to prepare. You can serve this as a side dish in abacha, or you can just enjoy it alone if you don't mind, okay? It is very easy to make. I also prepared abacha on this day, so make sure you check out my next upload to see how I prepared the abacha that I paired with this oba. Okay, make sure you check out that video, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not given this video a thumbs up at this point, please give it a thumbs up, and please comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this recipe. This is a highly requested recipe. I've gotten so many comments from people asking me to make a recipe on how to make this thing here, this thing right here. And yes, I've made the video. I hope you watch it and please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe.